Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel, the Digital Institute of Computing Technology. In this presentation we will have discussion on the topic operations on Python strings. Now, let us see the operations that could be performed on strings in Python. With examples. Concatenation concatenates two strings using plus operator. Hello plus world is hello world. Repetition repeats a string a specified number of times. Hello *3 will be hello hello hello. Access characters by index using square brackets. Hello of 0 is h. Slicing access a subset of characters using slicing notation. Hello 1:3 in square brackets will be al. Length returns the length of the string. Len of hello will be 5 as hello has 5 characters. Conversion converts other data types to strings. Str of integer 123 will give string 123. Splitting splits a string into a list of substrings based on a delimiter. Hello world split will give two words, hello and string. Joining joins the elements of an iterable into a string. Blank string dot join hello world will give the string hello world. Stripping removes leading and trailing white space from a string. Hello dot strip will remove the white space after hello. Similarly, hello dot lstrip will remove only leading white space from a string. And hello dot rstrip removes only trailing white space from a string. Case conversion. Hello dot lower converts all characters in a string to lowercase. Hello dot upper converts all characters in a string to uppercase. Hello world dot capitalize will capitalizes the first character of a string. Hello world dot title will capitalizes the first character of each word in a string. Checking. Hello world dot starts with hello checks if a string starts with a specified substring. Hello world dot ends with world checks if a string ends with a specified substring. Hello dot isalpha checks if all characters in a string are alphabetic. 123 dot isdigit checks if all characters in a string are digits. Hello 123 dot isalnum checks if all characters in a string are alphanumeric. Replacing replaces occurrences of a substring with another substring. Hello world dot replace world. Python will replace world with Python. Now, let us see some examples. Let's assume s equals hello. There is a new string ns assigned a value by merging s with John Deere. S will remain same, but the new string value will be hello John Deere. Next, the star is a multiply operator. So it will multiply the string by 3 in this case. S*3 will multiply it by 3. So we will have hello 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 as the result. Next, indexing operation. S of 0 will return the first character of the string, which is nothing but h. This is a slicing operator. It will slice the string and return as first and second character. The third is not included. So, s followed by lower bound colon upper bound plus 1 in square brackets. So, we will have the characters at position 1 and 2. But 3 is not included. Characters at position 1 and 2 is A and L. So the output is AL. Len of S will return the length of the string, which is nothing but 5. Next, str of 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 is a number. We can convert that number to a string by using a str function. So, str of 1, 2, 3 will return a string 1, 2, 3. S.upper will convert the lowercase letters in the string to uppercase. So we have hello in capital. Ns.capital will capitalize the first letter of the string. So, H, which is a small letter, will become a capital letter now. ns.title will capitalize all the first letters of all the words in a string. ns.starts with will check whether the string starts with the word hello. In this case, it is true. ns starts with hello. If we had invoked ns starts with dear, it would have been false. ns.replace hello by bye will replace the word hello by bye in the string ns. Hello will be replaced by bye. So, this completes a brief overview of operations on strings in Python. Hope you enjoyed and liked the presentation. Remain connected with us by subscribing to this channel for latest updates on this channel. Thank you.